Good evening, friends. This is time for trade review of 31st of December. Here's first of all wishing everybody a prosperous, healthy, happy new year 2021. This has been a tough year for everybody, and I hope the upcoming year is better. We have started many services uh, at the end of this last year, and just to go through them, we have the platinum button where we are discussing uh, you know the price action, the psychology, money management, and I am sitting with you from basically 9 o'clock to 3:30, and you are watching every move that I make. uh, you know when I am changing my opinion, etc. That is the flagship product, platinum button, very hugely welcomed by the audience. We also have diamond, silver, gold buttons, which are doing exceedingly well. These are all, buttons which have calls of different time frames and for different paying capacity. And then there is this information button, which is a copper button where you get annotated charts. So see which one suits your needs best. Plus, we have a recorded webinar. So first of all, join us on Facebook, followers, Ashwani Gujral followers page on Facebook, where we put up a lot of interesting, entertaining trading content. And we also have a contest going for this recorded webinar, which is available for 2000 plus GST, but we are offering free recorded webinars in a contest where you just have to guess the closing price of the Nifty, and lots of people have won them. That has also had a great response. For any questions of on any of these products, WhatsApp 98710 or email ashwani_gujral@yahoo.com. That is ASHWANI_GUJRAL @yahoo.com. Now, first of all, I want to start with a market view. Basically, Nifty found great amounts of resistance at 14,000 today. And, January historically has been a very poor month, particularly if you are coming into it sitting on a huge rally. So somewhere, this 14,000 is not going to be easily crossed. Global markets are also at best uncertain right now. So somewhere there is a feeling of a correction that may set in. I know it is a cliche, and each time someone says that correction is expected, often it does not come, and that person has to eat his words. But I would think that 14,000 is an important turning point for the market, and one that possibly the market may respect, and from where, even if you don't have a large correction, a small correction is likely. From here, risk reward does not seem to be very positive. FIIs, while it is New Year, etc., and holiday season, they have reduced their purchases to about 1100 crores for today. So that way, we have taken some initial put positions which are out of money and only at 50% quantity, because we probably need some confirmation of our view before we add on. So my sense is that it is likely that the new series opens in on a very somber note, and we start to see a decline from the first day onwards. So that is the caution I am placing on the table. Similarly, on the bank nifty, yes, we broke out of 31,000, but we haven't really killed it. So this sort of breakout, which is not showing you further follow through, can sometimes be a problem. Now, right now, S&P 500, if you see, it's kind of neither here nor there. Europe has closed fairly poorly, so it's time to become cautious. The other thing I look at carefully is the size of the bars that are getting formed. Now, Nifty on the daily chart, I think, has basically closed at yesterday's level. So you are now beginning to see these 20-point type up moves, which often lead to a correction. So somewhere momentum is slackening in the market, and you know experimental puts are justified at this point. Similarly, on the bank nifty, if you see, again, very narrow range day to day. So again, if there is no follow through, chances are that both these indices could face some heat, post the opening trades tomorrow. Today's intraday call that we gave was ICICI Bank, and it did extremely well for the day. And basically, we went all the way up to a high of about 538 before we came off. Yesterday's BTSTs, which were, I think, Bajaj Finance and Kotak, they also did well in the initial part of the day. Today, we've carried a short position on TCS, which has closed at the lowest point. But today, being such a sideways type day, it was a bit difficult to trade. So I would think tomorrow the market would have, if not complete participation, substantial participation, that we could have a decent move. So that being said, this is the time to be cautious. The worst of market declines have come in January. So be very careful. If you all recall, it was, I think, 7th of January in 2008 when the big market crash started, and that led to all kinds of hell breaking loose. So if we see the SGX right now, look at this SGX. This is basically collapsing. So is this, some sort of preparation for tomorrow? That we'll see. But things are not looking greatly comforting on the markets as far as January is concerned. Now, tomorrow at 5 p.m., I'll be releasing my 2021 outlook, and I hope that will be very useful for all of you, given this big year we've had. So please join us. It'll be available on all social media platforms, released simultaneously. So I think that could give you some nice guidelines on what to do in this year. See, 2020 is done and dusted. 2021 will not be a similar year. It will have, a lot of up and down movement. So let's try to study what 2021 could bring us. So that being said, that should be it. Again, wishing everybody a very happy, prosperous, healthy new year. And we'll see you in the new year tomorrow. Please share, subscribe, like. Thank you for taking me to 40,000 subscribers. That is a big landmark to be achieved in one single year. So hopefully we should cross 100,000 this year. That should be our target. So take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.